Hi, and welcome to Easy Crafts at Edison Public Library. I'm Miss Jen, and today we'll be making Bear Snores On, or the Pigeon Snores On, in the paper bag. First, you will need a paper bag, some scissors, and markers and/or crayons. And optional is some cotton balls and some glue. So first, I would suggest you decorate your bag. You can use markers, crayons, make stars like I'm making, all different colors, draw trees, make a nice outdoor scene for your bear. Now you will cut your hole. See how I started right here? You're going to push in only one side, and you're going to make a half circle. So the top part here, like a little cave. See? And you're going to cut straight across down to the bottom. So you have your little cave for your teddy bear or your pigeon. It looks like the pigeon's tired of the little duckling having sharing his home. So we are going to now pop it open. Okay, try to get the sides out. And you have a nice little cave for your little teddy bear.